Hello class 8 children. In the chapter 6 chemical equation, I taught you chemical reaction, I taught you the combination reaction which takes place when two atoms combine together to form the new product, means a new single compound is formed. Then the type of reaction is known as combination reaction. Today I am going to teach you the new type of reaction which is known as decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is reverse of the combination reaction. Combination reaction, molecule of two substances combine together to form a single molecule as product. But in decomposition, one substance like AB break down into A plus B. Means after the reaction, two new compounds are formed by a single compound. Means reactant is a single compound and in product two or more than two compounds are formed. For example, when water molecules on passing the electric current, water molecule on passing the electric current, this process is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis. Lysis means breakdown. How the molecules break? In presence of electricity. When the lysis means breakdown of the molecule takes place in presence of electricity, it is known as electrolysis. So children, water molecule in presence of electricity, electric current break down into hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Means a single compound break down into two compounds. Next example is lead oxide PbO. On heating, it will also decompose into lead and oxygen. So lead oxide PbO break down into lead and oxygen. Means here also the single compound lead oxide break down into two new compounds, lead and oxygen, in presence of heat. Now next example is potassium nitrate KNO3. Potassium nitrate on heating, it also break down into potassium nitrite and oxygen. Potassium nitrite, NO2, that's why nitrite, NO3, that's why nitrate. Potassium nitrate on heating break down into potassium nitrite and oxygen. Here these arrows indicate that these are the gases. Means gases are evolving or formed during the process. Now next example is given calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. On heating, it breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide and CO2, carbon dioxide. So this is also a type of decomposition reaction where one compound, one reactant break down into two compounds. One more example in which one compound break down into three new compounds. Example is copper nitrate. When we heat the copper nitrate in the laboratory in a test tube, it will break down or decompose into copper oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Example, copper nitrate CuNO3 hold twice. On decomposition, it will give into copper oxide, nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. 2CuNO3 hold twice change into 2CuO plus NO2 plus O2. And the reaction takes place in presence of heat, means on heating. That's why this is known as thermal decomposition. Here you can see some decomposition takes place in presence of heat and some takes place in presence of electricity. So the decomposition that takes place in presence of electricity are known as electrolysis, and the decomposition which takes place in presence of heat are known as thermal decomposition or thermolysis. So, as you studied combination reaction, two substances combine together to form a single substance known as combination reaction. Decomposition reaction, one substance break down and form two other substances or more than two substances are known as decomposition reaction. Decomposition are of two types: thermal decomposition, electrical decomposition. Sometimes decomposition takes place in presence of light also, that is known as photolysis. Photolysis. Photo means in presence of light. Lysis means breakdown. So whenever the breakdown takes place in presence of light, it is known as photolysis. So children, this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.